Yeah, and it tore up my trunk.
Is the box custom or prefab?
Custom box.
Looks custom, yeah. Did a good job. Is the amp back there?
Yes.
Can I see that before the demo?
Oh, yeah.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Windows up, it's quieter. So what's your name? What's in here, man?
My name is Jona King, and I have two X12 V3 Sundowns on an SFB 5K.
Okay.
And I got 4 LCMRs Sundown and 4 ETR1 tweeters.
Okay. Wow. Did you do this install?
Yeah. Radioactive.
Okay. Is the box custom or prefab?
Custom box.
Looks custom, yeah. Did a good job. Did you try putting your subwoofers mounted the other way first, like
yeah,
face
and it
forward?
tore up my trunk.
So was it louder when you faced it this way? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Really nice.
A lot louder.
I like it.
Thank
I
you.
like the way they have the tweeters and the mid bass right up the top, so it can fire off of the
Actually,
glass.
I already blew 4 tweeters.
Really?
Yeah.
Man, dang.
So.
Is the amp back there?
Yes.
Can I see that before the demo?
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Nice. Is this at 1 ohm?
Yes.
1 ohm, okay. Do you ever have box sliding or is it mounted down?
It moves. It does.
It moves?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you plan to fully seal it off eventually?
Yeah.
You do? Yeah. Yes, sir. All right, let's get a demo. Sorry, excuse me.
That dude was trying to talk to you.
Oh, he was. Oh, man. So what, do you know the size of the space of the box and tuning of it?
The tuning is 32 hertz. I do not know the size of it.
Okay. Probably around 2.5 to.
Yeah.
All right. Any SPL tests on it?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Not
Okay.
yet.
That's pretty cool. This is on stock?
Yep.
Nice. You did a good job. I like that. That's a really musical box too.
It really is, yeah.
So how low are you playing on it? Sounds pretty good, man. I like it.
The hertz was.
So that played at least
29.
Okay. So it's tuned to 32. You played low 20s then. Nice. Be sure to get them a like. Great bass demo.
Oh yeah.
Sorry.
Till I'm pretty handsome, Lord, show what you love me like.
Appreciate it, man. What was your name?
Thank you, Jona King.
Jonah. Nice to meet you, Jonah. JacobViral. Be sure to give him a like. Great bass demo.